Dragons, according to lore, grow up to 85 feet long with a wingspan of 170 feet, fly up to 80 miles per hour, and spit fire at 6,330 degrees Fahrenheit. What would it take to bring down a beast this size? Try the AH-64 Apache. The Apache carries up to 16 Hellfire missiles. It also has an automatic M230 chain gun with 1,230mm rounds. It flies at a max speed of 176 miles per hour and protects itself with external composite armor. In a battle to the death, who wins? By moving her head, the Apache pilot controls a laser target designator. She merely looks at the dragon and lets loose a laser-guided armor-piercing Hellfire missile. Wrong choice. Laser guidance doesn't work on targets that reflect little or no laser energy. The dragon knows any bird's weak spot is its belly. Reset. Try again. This time, use the M230 chain gun. 625 rounds a minute. But the dragon's scales are like 2-inch thick armor plates. One last option. The pilot fires 16 Hellfire missiles in 30 seconds, each with a 20-pound copper-lined charged warhead. There is no escape. Game over.